Kyle. Roddo, well, volatility has returned to the crypto space as ructions in US banking rattles financial markets. In this week's Cryptoverse, we summarise the events of the past week and take a look at 3 cryptos to watch in the week ahead. Market participants were gripped by fear in the past week as signs of systemic risk in the US banking system emerged. Headlines have been captured by the fall of Silicon Valley Bank owing to the stress placed upon it by a rapidly shifting interest rate environment combined with catastrophic failures in risk management. SVB was the 16th largest bank in the US and a major banking partner of the US startup community, and now boasts the ignominious title of the 2nd largest bank failure in American history. Policymakers swept in due to ensure the bank's depositors while also providing a short-term lending facility for other institutions that may become distressed. The problems in mainstream banking were arguably portended by the fall of a major institution in the crypto world. As we covered last week, signs of stress at Silvergate Capital, a lender and exchange operator in the crypto world, had been building for several months. The bank had been caught up in the vortex of the FTX collapse, which it counted as a major debtor, with the subsequent loss degrading the bank's capital position and sparking a steady withdrawal of depositors. Last week, Silvergate made public that it would be closing its Silvergate Exchange network before announcing that it would also wind down its banking operations and begin the process of liquidation. The fears of crypto contagion were compounded by the sudden and unexpected failure of Signature Bank. While not strictly a crypto bank, the institution's pivot towards crypto in 2018 meant that as much as 30% of its deposit base were cryptocurrencies. Amidst the nervousness brought about by Silvergate Capital and the Silicon Valley Bank failures, a bank run began at Signature Bank when more than $10 billion of deposits were withdrawn in a matter of days. While the story had largely gone unnoticed by market participants and financial media, the event came to light with the measures to backstop SVB depositors when the US revealed New York authorities had closed the bank. Here are 3 cryptos to watch in the week ahead. The price of Bitcoin surged as the crisis in US banks appears contained. Buyers defended the 200-day moving averages while sellers continued to emerge above $25,000. A daily close above that level may see the price consolidate, and the next level of resistance is around $28,500. Support can also be found at $20,000. Ether prices have also surged amidst the rally in crypto. Price broke resistance at 1670 and challenged resistance around 1790 before pulling back. Technical support looks to be around the 200-day moving average along with the 1460 level. Litecoin has pushed out of a technically oversold territory, however momentum remains skewed to the downside. Support resistance looks to be around $80, while the 20-day moving average is a level that has been faded in the past. Dips have been bought below the 200-day moving average.